attended a training program, and at the end of it, the trainer asks us, so was your takeaway from this program? And you realize that we all have a different takeaway from the program. Similar is with some of the Oscar speeches. Each Oscar speech is different because why that Oscar was important or how they felt about it has varied from Oscar speeches to Oscar speeches. Which brings me to today's topic, which is, do you hear the silence of conversations? Stay with me, subscribe to my channel and hear about it a little more. Today's world is all about chatter, yammering, your jabbering, clackling. The humdrum of conversations have taken over our life, and to us is lost the silence of our friends. I want to talk to you about the way we experience the world in our spheres of conversation, the circles of conversations, and how this still has a relevance to it. There are theories about hearing, listening, which is we already listen and only listen to what we already know. We are judgmental when we listen through our mind. We are also very cynical or critical of conversations when we hear through our heart. We don't want to hold spaces and listen to something new. All this needs to change. How are we going to do that? Let's take the first one. We may want to listen to out of habit to reconfirm something. But if you hold space, if you don't allow a lot of your own clatter to come into that, an example when somebody has lost somebody close and we walk up to that person and say, I know how it feels. We may have had a similar experience, but it is definitely not the same experience as that person is having with his own grief. You can say step into somebody's shoes and walk a mile and see how it is. I somehow don't subscribe to that because I feel each shoe fits that person's foot, and what pinches them may not pinch us. So here's my thing from our coaching experience, saying let's not think of anything. Let's just let the person remain in his own space. Let's not judge anything, and let's also not let our own fears or our own pre-decided matters come into that kind of conversation. Let's take, when we are talking to a close friend of ours, or when there is a free flow of conversation, what do you notice? You always notice that you don't have to have the 5 rules of engagement on conversations. You don't need to know those 10 things of how to talk to somebody. You don't need any rules. There is an absolute acceptance of what the person is saying, and your next questions and your thoughts just stay with the person, and the conversation just keeps proceeding further. It's a flow. It's the way the ecosystem operates when we are deeply listening to that person. That is what I would recommend to you. Why would you need any rules for conversation if you just keep these 3-4 things in mind? 1, if you can just make sure that you suspend all judgments. You may not have had that experience. You may have had that experience. Whichever way it is, don't judge the person, or don't let it filter through your preconceived or your knowledge base of information and repertoire. As far as your own fears are concerned, don't let it come in the way of the conversation and turn it this way. We can never sympathize, empathize, or walk in somebody else's shoes. I think we should just give up on that thought itself and let us just be with the person in his way of dealing with any kind of a situation. 4th, and I think the most important one, was if we just be ourselves, just let the conversation flow the way it should, and we should be done. This will provide us to hear the words well, and also the silence between the sentences. It will connect us. It will give us an extraordinary opportunity to connect with each other in our circles of conversation. We'll connect well with our friends. We'll listen to our own intentions. We'll listen to the silence, what is there within us, and that is what will get transmitted to the world around us. Let's become aware of our ecosystem. Let's open up to the possibilities that a deep listening conversation can offer, and hear the silence of a good conversation. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and stay with me for further videos on this topic.